Right, Mohit. That and GTL and GTL Infra stocks to be watched out for on Friday's trading session. Thanks, Mohit. Now, an Indian tech startup in the social messaging business has been rewarded with a handsome valuation by growth capital investor Tenaya Capital. SMS Gupshup, which is only 4 years old, has been valued at a whopping 1,000 crore rupees after Tenaya agreed to invest $10 million in the company. Mohit brought up with SMS Gupshup CEO Birut Sheth in this exclusive chat where he talks about the company's plans and why investors are bullish on his business.
So I think it's hard to generalize every business. You look at it on a case-to-case basis, and investors look at it that way. I think it really speaks to the potential that any company offers. Because while we've achieved a few milestones so far, I think there's still a long way ahead for us. But we've set an ambitious goal for us. We have an ambitious goal of reaching each and every mobile subscriber. There's billions of them out there. So it's an ambitious goal, and we've been executing well so far. So if we continue doing that, I think we can earn our valuation, live into our valuation, grow into our valuation, and we are optimistic we can.
Is this investment in some sense a precursor for the company to go public or look at look at some kind of a listing?
I think that's a bit premature for us to say. I think our job is to focus on building a truly valuable business, and then the financial exits, will of course happen if we do our job well. So that's what we're released on.
In terms of user numbers, obviously, in the last couple of years, you've obviously accelerated significantly. How big do you think the market is for a company like yours? How many users do you intend to tap in the next couple of years?
Look, we are at 50 million users right now, and that's just in India. We expect that to be hundreds of millions of users in multiple countries over the next years. So there's no question that we can grow very, very rapidly. The key thing about our product is it's very simple. It works on every mobile handset, and it's really useful to the users that use it. So it keeps spreading by word of mouth. It's very viral in and of itself. So we believe that both in India as well as in many other countries, I think the addressable market is really huge. I mean, there's 5 billion subscribers worldwide and at least 900 million or so in India. So each of them could be using Gupshup.
SMS Gupshup's CEO there talking to us exclusively. And it's time to take a short break.